I wanted to quickly share this hide stretcher frame I made. When I first started working on this deer hide, I didn't have the time or the materials to make this frame, so I simply stretched and tacked it to a board. But on my last 2 snowmobile trips, I got some free lumber from the forest and was able to complete this simple, rustic frame using screws and lashing. I used an awl to punch holes around the hide, about 1.5 inches from the edge, and every 4 to 6 inches all the way around. I used a thicker polypropylene rope so it wouldn't cut through the hide, and it took almost 80 feet to go all the way around. I pulled the rope tight, but not too tight. I simply tied the end of the rope to a nail and used it like a needle to go through the holes. I think it'll be easier to scrape the hide on a frame where it can flex rather than on a stiff board, and I eventually want to tan this hide with the hair on and make something from it, but if the hair slips I'll have to change my plans. I know it's a very simple and rustic design using basic materials, but I think it's going to work great. So I hope you found this video useful, and thank you for watching.